Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Rockport, Texas. More rain last night. A little bit of a surge going on today. There's water on the road up here. These people drove through it. Let's go check it out, see how deep it is. Only an idiot would drive through salt water. Allow me to demonstrate. Yeah, you can see the yellow line all the way through. We're okay here, guys. Bought myself a Texas 7-piece patio set. Yep. That's a beach chair and a 6-pack. Oh, boy. Hey, guys, do me a favor. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would be a great help to me. Hey, Ryan from Austin. How are you, my friend? Are you all warmed up? You ready? Roll my intro. Rockport Beach, guys. You can see we got some flooding going on here as well from the surge. Gives the birds a new place to hunt. Right now, it's beautiful out. 82 degrees, about a 14-mile-an-hour wind. People down at the beach area, it's kind of full. It is a weekend. Birds are out hunting. Unfortunately, they are calling for more rain overnight tonight, between a 50 and 70% chance of rain, which I guess is still a good thing. We'll take it, right? Be nice if we could set the timer and pace it out a little bit. But it has kept the dust down. Brings the mosquitoes out, but they're going to come out eventually anyway. These birds are just little tiny dinosaurs. This is a little bit later in the day. You can see the water is right up over the bulkhead. I often wonder if these are the same birds I'm seeing over and over. I know there's thousands of them in the area. It's not a bad day at all, guys. Rockport, Texas. Did you hear about the baguette that went to jail? Yeah. It was bred in captivity. Well, guys, I wanted to swing by Fulton. This is Fulton City Hall, and it has a historical marker. Located on Aransas Bay, the city of Fulton has a history closely associated with the fishing and shipping industry. The town was founded in 1867 by George Ware Fulton, whose mansion is an important local landmark. Schools, churches, and businesses were quickly established in the town. A one-room schoolhouse built in 1886 was relocated and adapted for use as a city hall. In recent years, tourism and commercial fishing and shrimping have become the city's most important economic pursuits. The city of Fulton was incorporated in 1978. And I lived in Fulton before. They got a bell. They do not deliver the mail in Fulton. You can get a post office box and go pick it up. So that's pretty neat. Used to be a schoolhouse and turned it into City Hall. This bell has a rope on it. Huh. Been around 1840. Louisville, Kentucky. Wow. That's really neat. Bell has traveled a bit. It's got a rope. Ring the bell and run, guys. Here we go. All right, everyone, get in the car real quick. Let's get out of here. I hope people don't start showing up for school, guys. That's Fulton City Hall. Used to be a schoolhouse. I got a really neat card in the mail from Debbie and David. Dennis, thank you for your uplifting and inspiring videos. Are you guys sure you're watching the right channel? Your quiet time scenes are very beautiful. Looking forward to seeing many more of them in the future. Keep up the good work, Debbie and David. P.S. I love the cooking and food videos too. Debbie and David, thank you so much. This card is something special. You guys know that. Thank you for the gift inside the card. I appreciate you guys. Fulton Beach Road, guys. This is about the area where maybe a week or so ago, during the storm, the entire road was washed out. And I thought I'd come up and check it out. That's not near as bad as it was, but I can't make out the yellow line. I don't even know if there is a yellow line through there. Right past this first part, about, I don't know, 15 feet up. I can't tell how deep it is. So, we're not going to go through that one. I'm a party pooper. Car coming the other way turned around too. Yeah, it's the wind's definitely picking up. Surge is nasty. Like I said, rain tonight. I hope we got some good days. I think we got 3 or 4 more days of sun and clouds. Good morning, boys. Aren't they freaking cute? What if they're hoping just like a minnow washes up? Like, they look content there, you know? Really interesting. The water's kind of making a noise when it goes through this pipe. Reminds me of Thunder Hole up in Bar Harbor, Maine. Google that, guys, if you want to see something interesting. Thunder Hole. Not too far from where my dad used to live. Well, this is Chaparral Street. I believe it's Chaparral Street in Fulton. And it's got some unique houses in it. People kind of went a little bit beachy on this street. Not the standard houses of the area, but they make it their own. They make it fun. They got some old rusty sheds in the back there. That's cool. And they got like a beach colored house in the front. Kind of neat. Properties are all cared for. Excuse me, Mr. Truck Driver. There's another little beachy house. Got some stuff out front. They got a shark and a chicken on their fence. Surf and turf right there on the fence, folks. This guy painted his trailer. That's cool. He's got an American flag. Good guy. Lots of live oaks. Yeah. I like this street. I like when the trees make a little canopy. Unless you're driving a truck or a big RV. Another American flag. Good to see. Down there on the left, that green building, that's Cassidy's, the Irish pub. We went there on St. Patrick's Day. Man, that was 2 months ago. That seems like it was a week ago, man. Time is messed up. Time flies when you're filming videos every day. There's the coffee shop in Fulton Harbor right in front of us. I feel like I should be playing Texas Flood by Stevie Ray Vaughan in the background. If you need to get a hold of me, guys, my contact information is in the description of my videos. I appreciate y'all hanging out today. Thanks for watching, everyone.